Right, big news coming in. This is with regarding the Gyanvapi issue. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to Mosque Management Committee and the Archaeological Survey of India. The notice has been issued on the petition of the Hindu side demanding ASI survey of the claimed shivling in the Gyanvapi. The response has been sought from the Muslim side in 2 weeks, and we're told that the next hearing is possibly in the mid of December. One of the senior lawyers on this case, Vishnu Shankar Jain, is speaking. Let's listen. All right, so we'll go across to that reaction in just a short while. Remember that it is Vishnu Shankar Jain and his father, Hari Shankar Jain, who have been, in fact, leading the case, specifically representing the Hindu side. So what has happened in the latest is, in the Gyanvapi Kashi Vishwanath temple case, that now there has been a certain notice issued for which the Muslim side will have to respond. And this is because with the claim that what the Hindu side has been claiming as a shivling, and the Muslim side has been denying that and has said that it's always been there. It's a fountain, however. That is where the Supreme Court has issued a notice. I want to immediately bring in our legal correspondent, Anisha Mathur, on this. Anisha, tell us more about what is this notice to the Mosque Management Committee, ASI, and why?
This is a complicated matter that is before the Supreme Court. Multiple petitions, multiple applications have been before the court on this issue. Now remember, the ASI survey of this entire area was done a couple of years ago, and then the Supreme Court had issued a stay and had sealed that premises, saying that the area where the claim has been made by the Hindu petitioners that a shivling has been found, while the Muslim petitioners say that it is not a shivling but a fountain, that area must be kept sealed so that there can be no change in that particular, in whatever exists in that particular area. And now that area has remained sealed in all of these months. The Hindu side, of course, has sought the opening of that area and an ASI survey, a proper survey of that area once again. With today's hearing, the Supreme Court has looked into the multiple applications that are pending in this particular matter. They have said that, well, we'll have to systematically hear all of those issues, whether a survey can be conducted in that area or not, whether the question of if these petitions are maintainable or not, whether this case is barred under the Places of Worship Act or not. All of these matters will have to be heard, and therefore the court has said we will hear all of this on the 17th of December, most likely. But for now, the application that has been filed by the Hindu petitioners saying that there should be an ASI survey, which was earlier sealed by the orders of the Supreme Court itself, that matter notice has been issued. The Muslim side, of course, will have to respond on this issue when the next time this matter is heard. But with the applications and counter applications in this matter, this is not an easy case for the court to hear. In fact, one thing that was said in the court today by the Muslim petitioners was specifically that there are 17 such Mandir Masjid matters across the country now, and any orders passed in this case will affect all of these litigations. So therefore, the court
an example as well for other such disputes and issues. Anisha, stay on with me. Let's listen into the lawyer Vishnu Shankar Jain.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हमने ज्ञानव्यापी के मैटर में याचिका लगाई थी कि जो वजू टैंक का एरिया है वहाँ पे सर्वेक्षण किया जाए आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो उस वजू टैंक के एरिया को सील किया है 11 नवंबर 2022 के आदेश से, उसको पार्टली मॉडिफाई किया जाए कि वहाँ पे एएसआई और पक्षकार अंदर जाके वहाँ पे नॉन इन्वेजिव मेथड से सर्वे कर सकें। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज इस याचिका पे नोटिस जारी किया इस एप्लीकेशन पे, और अगली सुनवाई इसकी 17 दिसंबर को होनी है। और भी जो मामले 17 दिसंबर को लगने उसकी लिस्ट हमने अंजुमन इंतजामिया को रिसीव करा दी है, और दोनों में डिस्कशन होने के बाद क्या मामले उस दिन लगने ये भी निर्धारित होगा।